Lydia, what are you eating? Blueberry sticks. Sipa mo. Is that blueberry sticks? Mommy got her some pokey blueberry sticks. Ayan. So, next stop over kami. Ay, ice
You
cream
have
pa.
blueberry sticks just like me?
We had stop over sa some gasoline station because Daddy needs to potty. Needs to take a wee-wee. But right now, pangalawang stopover namin to. Kasi nag-withdraw, tapos bumili ng
Why?
snacks, ice cubes. Ngayon, we forgot rice. Wala pala kaming dalang bigas. So, wala kaming sasain.
Yum, yum.
Do you like that? Yeah. So, ayan. Nandito kami ngayon. Ay, we're just in a we're just in a gasoline station. So, taking a potty si Daddy.
Let's take a
fan kahit
picture of
na-
Zizi.
Ang bigat ng car.
Let's take a
Ayan na si
picture of
Daddy.
Zizi, Mama.
Daddy, where'd you go? Where did you go?
Baby, why?
Are we going now?
Let's go.
Let's go. Ay, wala tayong bigas ha, reminder.
Okay.
Yum, yum, yum.
And here's that.
Deliciosa!
Delicioso.
Galing mo.
I'm copying Daddy.
Yeah, it's from Dora.
I'm copying you, Daddy.
Alright!
Yup.
Kasi matagal lutuin yun, no?
Gusto ko steak. Luto na.
Luto na. Luto tayo. Bili kang kapiraso. Kokyat. Sana hindi mainit doon. Sana kalma lang pero di uulan.
Sana malamig.
Ayun nga. Ay, may jacket yung dala?
In 200
Ako
meters,
mayroon.
turn left onto Sabudin, Iba
Si
Road.
Lydia meron. Nandito pa yata yung jacket niyang puli.
Andyan. Ako wala akong jacket.
They're good.
Take the next left onto Sabudin, Iba
Kanina
Road.
hot. Ngayon ko.
Sana tinapos na nila yung work dito. Napaka-importante ng road na yun para patagalin ng gawa.
Let's go party over there.
Kung okay naman yung
Continue
ano,
on
mami.
Sabudin, Iba Road for 2
Yung gulong
kilometers.
natin.
Over there. Over
Take the
there,
next
Mama.
left onto Aguinaldo Highway R2.
Tagal pa. An hour pa. Lunch.
Baka isi-ACR mo naman.
Road, Mendez, Luna, and Dom Road.
That I could be. And if you're only using me. Ay, ano ba yan? Grabe. To be your fantasy. You're really not in love. So let me go.
Take the next right onto Indom.
Dapat may
Mendez
gimbal.
Road, Mendez,
Tumalon yung
Luna,
camera.
Indom Road.
I must be free.
Turn right.
Charot lang. Charing lang. Bata. Sleep na ikaw, bata.
No. I don't want to.
What do you want mommy to sing? Since we don't have music, I will sing.
In 400 meters, continue straight
Ay,
onto Indom.
magdiretso kaya tayo
Mendez
naik.
Road, San Gregorio Street.
Ngayon?
Di ba may dagat doon?
Bukas.
Oo.
Maghanap ka lang. Walang kaso sa akin kung hahanapin mo. Ang ganda ng clouds. It's so
Ay,
pretty.
nandito na ako.
Continue straight onto Indom. Mendez Road, San
Stop
Gregorio
over
Street.
because I need to pee-pee. Yeah.
Mommy's pipi needs to pipi.
Palitan mo ng voice over to.
Sheep loud.
Hindi ko na
Over here.
In 100 meters, turn left. Take the next left, then turn right after Jollibee.
Jollibee?
Turn left.
Nakarinig yung Jollibee. You want Jollibee, yeah? Di ba
Yeah.
tayo nagla-lunch doon? Mag-alauna na. Ay, alauna na, no?
1:30 naman. Ay, nakarating na ako dito. Parang nakapagsimba tayo dito eh.
Where?
Oo.
Why?
Laguna nga ba to? Papagsanghan niya tayo, naisip ko ganito rin itsura
Take the
ng
next
Jollibee
right
dun
after
eh.
Jollibee toward
Hindi,
Ocampo
parang
Street.
ito eh.
Tree?
Ay, wow. Sobrang old school. I swear, thought of everything there is. Can't imagine anything. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around.
Ano lang ma'am, snippets ng mga 10-15 seconds.
Na ano ko nga, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Hindi, masyadong mahaba eh.
I-timelapse mo na lang.
Hindi tayo. Pangat yun.
I-timelapse mo na nga lang. I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. So, pa-exciting na part eh. May solar oh.
Eh, syempre walang kuryente. Ay, ayun pala yung kuryente. Ayun na lang, gusto lang makatipid. May paahon no, falls. Yun no.
Kaya siguro may batis. Whoop. I pray this time
And I was done when the mommy that feet.
Yeah, you remember that? That was your first gig as flower girl.
What?
Yeah, you were a flower girl, babe.
now it gets me better.
So yan, may ganyan. May hysteresis.
Oh my spaces.
Ayan, Maragondon. Mas malayo pa yung Magallanes sa Maragondon. Tapat na tayo ng bundok. Ang nakita ko mga nagpunta doon, mga 4x4.
Matibay ka eh.
Wala akong nakitang sedan actually.
Ano daw? Welcome to ano? Hindi ko nabasa.
Sinalak malaki.
In 600 meters, turn left.
Ang shaky ng kuha. Super shaky. Ah! Ang hirap ng video. It's so shaky.
Bukas pa.
Ang hirap.
Pero may internet ka.
Sa'yo ako nakakonect.
Gagi ka.
Parang di maubos battery ko.
Talino mo ah. sa FB eh. Hindi pinuntahan na kita. Napoprogram din tayo ng Facebook.
Ayun na. Ay, kita. Hindi pala kita.
Siya pala ang dulo ng road eh.
You have arrived.
Nga. We have arrived na daw.
Oh, video mo.
Mabidyohan ko na kanina pa.
Ito, ayan.
Kanina pa nga naka-on.
naka-on.
Sabi mo ba, bumusina ka, hindi ka kasya dyan.
Kasya ako dyan. Kasya nga sila eh. Saan mo gusto?
Magtanong ka muna. Babayad ka pa eh.
Bayad na ako.
Balance.
Ayan, ang ganda dito.
Layo lang.
Ang ganda ng playground pa nila. Taas ng slide na.
Ito yung zipline ng bata.
Ang bata.
Pwede ba ako dyan?
Oo, para mas yun.
Ang batang sukat lang. Nung kami magsiset up. Dapat time lapse. Ang tagal pa naman yan.
Hindi yan. Isang ano tapos i-time lapse mo dyan sa'yo.
Is that the clean restaurant?
Yeah? Hi. Picture. Look at me.
Hi.
You're not looking at me, babe.
Hi.
Look at me first. Front. At front. Front.
Pagkakasunod-sunod ko ng huli.
Busy si madam.
Come on. Hey.
Let's go to our house now.
Let's go to our tent na.
Our camping house. Yeah. Look,
Come on.
it's a
Let's go up here.
The playground's about
Do you like the bonfire? Naka-flash pala ako, kaya naman pala. Did you like it? Can you go up? Come on. Look at daan ha. Ayan, maganda yan. Nakikita natin yung daanan. Come on, go up. Yay!
our house is up here, yeah.
Yeah,
I'll show you, okay?
that is
I'm going to show you.
the playground.
I'm going to show you the house.
Oh, where's the house? Nice
I'm going
setup.
to show you the house.
Like that.
Actually,
Lawak ko pala sa gilid eh.
that's for now.
Oh, careful, you okay?
Yeah. Mommy, we are lost.
My loss? Why?
But we're not. Yeah. We're not lost. Look. We are lost.
My loss.
Yeah. I'm gonna get back to Daddy. Will you miss?
You miss Daddy?
Yeah. Let's get back. Oh, you.
And this is our cute beginner camping setup. Very cutesy. Beginner.
This is where we live.
Yeah. That's our tent.
That's our house.
Yeah. And that's the car.
Remove your ano ha?
Take off your slippers, okay? Oh.
Magaling niya eh.
And that's Daday. And this is where I cooked adobo and sisig. Ay, mahirap pag sa camp ha. Sakit na ng bato ko. Yeah. Ayan, binigyan kita ng footage from the from the bonfire.
Dapat hindi bo.
Now let's start sending the boulders up the conveyor so they can be processed. Whoa, look at them go! Last one. Now let's use our
Naligo.
Sounds like something a monster would say.
Don't worry, Rebel. We'll keep you safe. Now come on, guys. Let's go.
Paw Patrol, want a strong boulder. Faster than a speeding mountain. The greatest superhero that ever superheroed. Whatever you say, Rubble. Let's just go trick-or-treating before I'll be in a superhero costume so we can go trick-or-treating. Alright, fine.
Eja, enough tablet ka na.
I told you guys, he should have left while he was in the bathroom.
Where's Adia, Dad? Iwan mo?
Isara mo yung ano ha.
Iyak yun. Sama na natin, talaga na.
Tama tayo.
Adia? Hey, Dia, mommy's here. Come on. Our messed up tent. Come here. Let's go to the river. Let's check it.
Why? Well, that looks like a swinging restaurant. A slide over there.
Look at Daddy B. Hello, lovey bear. Oh, lovey bunny. Bunny, bunny.
This is baby candy.
Dito tayo bababa, baby.
This is my baby.
Use the steps. Can you use the steps? Is it too high for you?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. This one. Okay, run! Run!
Stop.
Stop na.
Only one. Cause you just one.
Where is
What's
Daddy?
that? Is that hopscotch?
Oh, that's the the bonfire we went yesterday. Ang sinampay friend.
Can you make double fire in there later?
That's for nighttime, baby. Yay. Ooh, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
It's getting wet. Yeah.
Why?
That's because since it's too cold at night, the grass goes
Cookie.
very moist.
And it's getting.
Oh, I think I know where the river
It
is.
has water. It has water.
Water, yeah. The moisture makes water.
And rain makes water.
That's true. It did not rain though. It's just moist.
Rain makes water.
Yep.
And then it
Woohoo!
rain goes.
It's going down. I think it's in this hill. Ah, may ano din bahay di sa loob eh.
Look, a table and
Yeah, chairs.
chair.
There you are. It's a very long way to go. Do we want to go in there? Uh-oh. Daddy!
Dad,
It's kind of scary.
why?
It's too... No, don't... It's dangerous. Mhm. There you are.
When we found,
Still a long way to go.
when we find what? Mommy?
Still a long way to go. It's all the way down there, baby.
Is Daddy down there?
I don't know. I don't see him. I don't hear him. You want to check it?
Yeah.
Just until this point,
When
okay?
we find, when
Mhm.
we found Daddy, we can go to the Daddy.
Valley. No Valley? Balik ka pa no Valley, anak?
Yeah, when it's
We're,
nighttime.
I think we're going to a beach. Ay, grabe to. Ang
And when
lalang.
we get to the beach, we can see the valley.
The valley.
Yeah.
Okay, we're stopping here, okay? You hold mommy tight. That's the river.
But be careful not to fall in the river.
Yeah, it's so deep.
That's where the valley lives, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's where the valley lives too.
I don't think that
Down
is here.
there. That's where the valley lives too.
It's
Down there,
dangerous. Yeah. Let's look over here. Take some videos of the river. Makahulog yung cellphone ni mom.
Mommy,
Yeah.
this is where the valley lives too. Yeah.
You wanna sit down here? I'll take a picture of you.
That's where the valley lives too, right?
Yeah.
Down there. Right?
Hmm?
She's so brave and strong. She wasn't afraid. Oh, okay.
Bumaba siya?
Yep. She went. Yan, nandun lang sa may bench. So tiring. Are you brave?
Yeah.
Yeah, she did not get scared.
I am brave.
Super brave?
Yeah, I'm brave to go on the rope there.
Pa-play ka muna dun sa sa playground.
Mommy will put the breakfast. Magsasain pa ba ako ng pananghalian natin?
Hindi na, yun na yung kanin na yun. Sangag mo lahat. Ah. Patis.
Hello.
No, it's not the screen. It's real lion.
Whatever.
Real lion. Real lion swinging. Yeah. I sent a red in the food with those lights turned on. Yeah. They're not robots, yeah.
AJ, you like this, ano? You like this camp? Is it good for you? Look at what Mom's cooking, oh. Mom's cooking sisig. What kind of sisig is that, Mom?
Bangus.
Bangus. And we have bread. Nagsising, ah. I wish you, ah. Hindi we wish you.
Soloist pa yun.
I wish you lang.
Soloist ka na ba?
Would you like some lanterns?
Wait pa kahit loob.
Mommy, how is our shop equipment?
Needs improvement.
Is improvement. Pero it worked, right?
Yeah, it works.
It works. Look, oh. This is the, ano to, wagon. It's a big one. 8-inch wheels yan. I bought it for 1,800.
That one.
So, ginagamit niya yan ng anak ko kapag nagmamall kami at kung ano-ano pang pinangahakot ko rin yan. So, it's very sturdy up to 200 kilograms. Unbranded Shopee product. Tapos itong yung table niya na foldable, around 700 pesos yan.
Fire.
700 pesos.
There's none. The answer is in the tree.
So ayan, kita nyo naman, matibay din siya. So built talaga siya para dyan. Binili ko sa same seller.
You know what I saw? A longer tent. What's the size of the tent?
Hindi ko alam, 2 meters siya tato eh. Itong tent natin. Yan tent.
Parang katulad ng kanila gano'n. Makakita ko sa Shopee.
Ito, this one,
It's a lot cheaper.
200. I bought this for 1,300. Itong tent na to. 6 to 8 ang nakalagay sa unbranded din yan.
Here, look. Take a look. And in my shoes. Yeah, inside my shoes.
Yan.
What's inside your shoes?
Tapos inside, comfortable naman kami nakatulog.
Is it biting you?
No, there's something blood.
Yan.
Yan, lamok.
8 inches yan. 8 inches nga ba to, mami? I think so, yeah?
Bumili mo.
Hindi ko alam, basta mataas siya. Ang layo mo sa ground. Tapos alaka niya, queen size na bed yan. I bought it around 2,300. Yang ano na yan. Yang inflatable. Nag-i-inflate siya at nagde-deflate on its own kasi meron siyang dito eh. Ayan o. Meron siyang pump. So magaling din. Magaling siya. Next, ang nabili namin pa ay itong chairs na to, unbranded din. 3 yan binili namin. Around 199 each. So mga 200 pesos. Nabili namin yan. Ito, dinekot ko lang yun sa nanay ko. Pero hindi yan butane or propane. LPG talaga yan.
You Christmas.
What else did we buy? That basin. Where did we buy that basin, ma'am? Unitop.
Dito.
Unitop namin nabili. Magkano? Mura lang, no? Ito, sa Shopee ko din kasi gusto ko may pump itong ganito. Ganito kasi gusto kong dalhin na tubig. I bought this around 100 pesos yata sa Shopee. Yan, unbranded din.
I want cheesy.
Also, this one,
Easy is basa.
itong na to, I bought this for 100 pesos each. Okay din naman, nagtatagal. It serves its purpose.
Ka, dirty. Dapat pinalawan mo pala yan.
This one, ito, may solar siya. Tapos maliwanag siya. Hindi sobrang tagal kasi hindi ko na-set sa low kagabi. So maliwanag ko na around 4 hours yung na-serve niya kagabi.
Cheesy.
So ayan, 3 yung binili ko na ganung ganyang klaseng
Daddy,
ilaw.
bigyan mo kasi dyan ng lagyan mo ng tubig yan para maglaro siya dyan.
Sige.
Swimming. Doon siya sa side. Hindi ako.
Ayan na siya, maglalaro siya.
Oo, lagyan mo dito sa table na to. Dito.
Siyan, modi kami ng foldable. Matagal na yun nabili namin. Foldable tabo at saka foldable pail. Ang di lang maganda dito, konti lang nalalagay mo kasi natutumba siya.
Marami mga baba dyan.
Water.
And lastly, itong tarp na hindi ko na figure out agad kung paano. Nabili ko ay 700 pesos.
Cheesy also needs a bath. Yeah.
Namo Build Data Signal SA Camp. Ito AMD speed test result. It's fast and enough for YouTube and social media. 22 Mbps in the mountains, not so bad.
There's a